When you think of Ethiopia, what comes to mind? Ancient history? Coffee? Famine? What if I told you there's so much more, a side of Ethiopia most people never see? From lava lakes to rock-carved churches, tribal villages to hustle and bustle of Addis Ababa. This country is packed with surprises. Let's uncover the top 10 places to visit in Ethiopia that'll make you rethink everything you thought you knew about this African country. Omo Valley. Omo Valley, often called the cradle of humankind, is home to some of the earliest fossils that changed our understanding of human evolution. But beyond its archaeological importance, this valley is also home to a diverse array of indigenous tribes, each with unique culture, language, and customs. Among the tribes of the Omo Valley, the Hamar, Mercy, and Karo people are the most famous. The Mercy women are known for wearing large lip plates, while the Karo tribe is renowned for their intricate body painting. Visiting the Omo Valley offers a rare opportunity to experience ancient traditions and witness the daily lives of these fascinating communities. Bali Mountains National Park. Ethiopia's diverse landscapes are truly remarkable, and the Bali Mountains National Park is a prime example. Located in Oromia, this park offers a stunning blend of alpine meadows, mist-covered forests, and dramatic cliffs. It's a paradise for hikers and wildlife enthusiasts. The park is home to some of the most unique species in Africa, including the endangered Ethiopian wolf and the majestic mountain Nyala. If you're lucky, you might spot the elusive golden jackal or the strikingly colorful gelada baboons, known for the red markings on their chests. Whether you're trekking through its remote valleys or simply soaking the views, the Bali Mountains offer a chance to experience Ethiopia's natural beauty in its purest form. Safomar Cave. Safomar Cave is one of the largest and most impressive cave systems in Africa. Located in the Bali Mountains, this place is a must-see for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. The cave system stretches over 15 kilometers and is characterized by stunning limestone formations, towering pillars, and unique rock shelters. Safomar is an ideal spot for both exploration and spiritual reflection, making it a fascinating destination. The caves, carved by the Webb River, are dotted with ancient relics and local folklore, adding a layer of mystique to this already otherworldly place. Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia. As the largest city in the country, Addis Ababa is the political, economical, and cultural center of Ethiopia. With its modern skyline, bustling markets, and rich history, the city offers a unique blend of old and new. One of the highlights of Addis Ababa is the National Museum, home to the famous fossilized remains of Lucy, one of the earliest hominids ever discovered. The city is also the headquarters of the African Union, making it an important hub for diplomacy and international relations. Addis Ababa's lively streets, diverse food scene, and vibrant arts community make it a place that's constantly evolving. Whether you're exploring the local markets, sipping traditional Ethiopian coffee, or learning about the country's history, Addis Ababa provides a dynamic introduction to Ethiopia's charm and energy. Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression, often referred to as the gateway to hell, is one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on Earth. With temperatures soaring above 50 degrees Celsius, this extreme environment is shaped by tectonic activity, resulting in surreal landscapes of salt flats, active volcanoes, and vibrant mineral deposits. The Erta Ao volcano, with its ever-burning lava lake, is another incredible feature of the Danakil Depression. It's a true testament to the raw power of nature and offers an experience like no other for travelers looking for adventure in one of the world's most extreme environments. If you're enjoying this journey through Ethiopia's most incredible destinations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get back to the adventure. Harar, one of the oldest Islamic cities in Africa, offers a unique blend of history, culture, and tradition. The walled city of Harar, with its maze-like alleyways and colorful markets, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city is home to over 80 mosques and 102 shrines. One of the most fascinating traditions in Harar is the nightly hyena feeding ritual, where locals feed wild hyenas at the edge of the city. It's a rare and unique experience that speaks to the deep connection between the people of horror and the animals they coexist with. Simien Mountains National Park. For those looking for rugged mountain scenery, the Simien Mountains National Park is a must-see. This UNESCO World Heritage is home to jagged peaks, deep valleys, and breathtaking landscapes. Known as the Roof of Africa, the Simien Mountains reach elevations of over 4,400 meters. The park is famous for its wildlife, especially the walia ibex and the gelada baboons. Hiking through the park's dramatic terrain is an unforgettable experience, offering panoramic views and a chance to connect with nature in one of the most remote corners of Ethiopia. Lalibela, a place so extraordinary it's often called the eighth wonder of the world. Known for its 12th century rock-hewn churches, Lalibela is a living testament to Ethiopia's rich Christian heritage. These churches were carved directly into solid volcanic rock, creating a stunning architectural feat. The most famous among them is the Church of St. George, which is shaped like a cross and stands as a symbol of Ethiopia's deep Christian roots. Surrounded by the rugged beauty of the Ethiopian highlands, the town is a serene escape where ancient traditions and breathtaking scenery meet. Gondar. Built during the reign of the Ethiopian emperors, Gondar is famous for its medieval castles. The royal enclosure, with its impressive stone castles, is a standout attraction in Gondar. The architecture is a unique blend of African and European styles, making Gondar a fascinating place for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts. The Fazil Gebi Fortress Complex, which includes several palaces and churches, tells the story of Ethiopia's royal history. Gondar is also home to Fazilides Bath, a large pool still used for religious ceremonies, adding another layer of intrigue to this historic city. Aksum. Let's end our journey in Aksum. Aksum was once the heart of the Aksumite Empire, one of the greatest civilizations in the ancient world. This ancient city is famous for its towering obelisks, which stand as symbols of the kingdom's power and wealth. The most impressive of these is the 24-meter-high stele, which is a marvel of ancient engineering. Aside from the obelisks, Aksum is home to several historical treasures, such as the Church of St. Mary of Zion, which is believed to house the biblical Ark of the Covenant. Visiting Aksum is like stepping back in time, immersing yourself in the stories of ancient Ethiopia's grandeur. And there you have it, 10 amazing places to visit in Ethiopia. Have you visited any of these places? Are they now on your travel bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips and destinations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.